Oh, look at this. Holy. Let's see what year this one is. Is okay, 1961. 62 years old. That's pretty, looks nice, good. Chevrolet. Huh. Okay, 1965. Okay, 1972. 50 more years old. Still looks shining. That's great. You know, this is a man's big toy. We like the car. We really like the car. Like this.
All right, everybody, we're going to get the awards started right now.
78.
So please gather around. So first and foremost, I want to thank everybody for coming down and making another successful show this year. This is our 19th year doing this show with the BC Corvette Club. So again, thank you for everything over all of these years. I think it's making it bigger and better than ever. Oh, there we go.
Look at this truck.
All right, and I do want to remind everybody there is still a small
I really like it.
time left. There is a free Adams ceramic coat up for a raffle if you enter your name and phone number in the service drive there, where you've already left.
Looks like it's electrical.
Just put your name in there, run over and do it. And
Look at this car. That's it.
yeah, we're gonna be
It
giving
just
that away
looks
later
good.
this afternoon.
Simply to say it, it just looks good. Holy.
All right, we're just going to make another announcement
I know you can
that
look
way.
from here over here, but they're doing the awards over here by the main entrance to the dealership. Come on down into the middle and you can hear what's going on.
Big screen, two screens.
All right. All right. A
Oh,
lot of awards because we have a lot of amazing cars. So first up, in Class A,
it's a really amazing car. Huh. Look at this. Oh, that's a brand new one. 2023. That's a brand new one. No problem. Look at this. 2021. The 2 years old.
driving
How
stuff.
long does it take to drive? Like if I to drive normal, like not. 2021, huh? Huh. Okay, all this group is brand new. It's a newer car. This is brand new, the 2023. But did not say how much, right? Okay. Some owner, blah blah blah. Year. It's just for show. So, you know, people like to show their cars. The rich guy has lots of cars for collection, and they just every year for the old car show they bring the old car here. For the new car show, modern car show, they bring their modern car here just for show. Show you a great guy in your life, in the earth. You did something great, so all of this is the reward. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look of this. Holy, what's that mean? Please do not touch. Huh. Chevrolet. This is a 2003. Let's see, roughly about how much? I think that is the price. Okay. Actually good enough for for everybody. Let's take a look of this. Roughly it's a 2016 and Chevrolet. Some company made really some excellent cars and catch man's attention. Oh, 2017. Look at this. Huh. You are sitting here, drive, and your girlfriend sitting there, and drive on the freeway in 200 whatever kilometers per hour, and enjoy the wind blow your hair. Cannot imagine. Every year, roughly about September, there will be lots of car show in mainland area. Different style, different age, and some very expensive, some of them very old. And you can go there, enjoy the car. This is a new Hummer truck.
And next up we have the C8, so Class Q.
Made by GMC, and
Place, we have Don Williams.
it looks good.
This is for Coupe. C8 Coupe. There we go. And in first place.